Alright, let's show off the new escalator glove. Because this is escalated really quickly for views. The most viewed analytics I can see with them at a post content, so Slap Battles is up on the top 10, which is the 10th one, Slap Battles. Most of you like my vlogs and also Vitamin D, so I'm gonna put that content. Also balloons, I like balloons. Excavator glove costs like 23k slaps to get. Will take a whole week probably. Or if you're a speed runner, you would know to do it. And then, by the way, don't mind me dying. The escalator glove has this ability called Excavator, where you just go underground for a 3-inch mile away radius, and probably all I have to show off, and I'll probably just post this content now and like 3 other types of content, like vlogs. Maybe more vlogs can talk about Vitamin Delicious and balloons. So thank you guys. This is the excavator glove, and I will see you guys in the next video. I don't know, 1 month.